Namaste. Today we will do a flip through of this book. I am a fan of Steve McDonald. I know he has a lot of books like the Fantastic Structures and stuff like that, but those are very complicated. I have one Fantastic Cities by him, and I really like that book, and that's why I decided to go for this Fantastic Collections, which is more or less my up my alley. Though it is a much bigger book, I will show you a standard size book in comparison. So let's see, this is a standard book. So you can see it's bigger on the top, as well as it's like almost 1.5 times the width. So it's quite a big book, and I do, as I said, that I have this Fabulous Ciudad, which is the same size as this one. But this is the Spanish version, and I was really trying to find an English version. I don't know for what, because it's a coloring book at the end of the day. Anyway, so let's go through this book and have a look at the pictures that are there inside. So the reason why I was so keen on this one is because I really like images which are, you know, clutter pages. I don't know if that is the correct word for the theme, but I like the same thing to be in multiples on a page, and I like to color those things. Like in the Fantastic Fabulous Cities, for example, sorry, he has a page which had like 1,000 cars, and I had colored those, and I had really enjoyed the process here. So that's when I decided that okay, I enjoyed this page so much, so I will probably enjoy his Fantastic Collections book a lot. So that's why I had ordered this. But the book is so big that I'm finding it a bit difficult to get it in the frame, so you'll see me shifting it a lot here and there. But this is a few sample pages of what is there inside. And then this is the first page. It's printed by or published by Chronicle Books in San Francisco. The quality of the paper is so good. The only drawback of this book is that the pages are back to back, but oh, the quality of the paper is so superbly fantastic. Then this book is manufactured in China, and it's a 2016 edition. I don't know when this specific copy was printed. That's not mentioned. Okay. And then there is a small paragraph here where it says, although many of the images have been drawn from my own photographic sources, I want to also acknowledge and thank the following photographers for the wonderful images used in part for some of the drawings. And then there is some acknowledgements for televisions, cameras, camping gear, mobile phones, typewriters, and all that. So let's explore. That sounds quite interesting. I'm very sorry, my table is not having any more space. The packaging in which it came was like so huge. Okay, let me try and get this in the frame. Okay, so these are the nestling dolls, as they call it. They go one inside the other, and when you take remove each doll out, that's how the whole set looks. So excited to color this. Then this is of course a koi pond with a lot of fish. Then these are a lot of shells. These are, I guess, beads, or is it candy? Because these sticks look like candy, so these are probably not beads, these are candies. I think these are probably beads, or maybe even crystals, I'm not sure. Locks. There's a sort of mandala here of locks and keys, and then there's just a page with locks, and each of them is so nice and unique. Love it. Then a page of leaves, and a page with a lot of hardware, sort of like tools and building materials and stuff like that. Sunglasses, or just glasses, let's say. And these are a lot of cleaning materials. A lot of tools. What are these called? Saws? I think so. Frames. These are also frames. Or maybe mirrors. I don't know. Guitars. Cassettes. What are these? Butterflies? I'm guessing. These are surely butterflies. Oh, page of robots. I think these are also robots. Buttons. Lot of stuffed toys. Dinosaurs. I'm not confident about this page at all. And a lot of horses. Again, this one. I am never confident about coloring animals or people. Okay, then this is oil, different tins of oil. I'm guessing these are, most of them are like antiques or retro. And then vehicles. I believe these are toy cars. Lanterns. So I might try coloring one of these for my India coloring hashtag for Diwali. So though these are Chinese lanterns, I'm sure we can, but these are very oriental, right? What are these? Are these suitcases? Oh no, it is a. These are cameras, but I think these are. This is a musical instrument, accordion. I think it's called. I'm not sure. Probably, but these are cameras. I don't know what these are. If you can guess what it is, let me know. Maybe from a different perspective you can make out. I know some of these are cameras, but I'm not sure what the others are. These are also cameras. Oh, okay. So this is the old type of camera. What is that? Close up. The what you say? A device used to attach to the camera to get a close up in olden times. I think that's what it is. So fruits, lots and lots of fruits. A lot of pottery, or rather, let's say dishes and cups and glasses. I think this is an insect collection, looks like dragonflies. These are, I'm not even sure what these are. Oh, baits. They look like tackle. Okay, fishing tackles. So these are tackles. I'm not sure what these are, what kind of machinery this is. These are drill bits. Not drill bits, sorry. These are drilling machines. Drill bits are the things that you attach to them, right? Sorry if I am. So a lot of clocks. Sorry for bumping into the camera. I have actually at one point of time had a clock like this, a clock like this, a clock like this, a clock like this, and like this. So almost most of them. Okay, television sets. The first television set that we ever had in our house was like almost an exact replica of this one. I'm talking about the 70s. Oh, lots of books. That would be interesting. Remote controls. Who would have thought a page full of remote controls? That's nice. Okay, what are these? I'm not sure. Maybe crystals? Do you know what this is? The only reason why I need to know what that is to decide what color palette I should select for that page. That's all. So a lot of bead jewelry. That would be nice color. Then a lot of bottles. Again, a lot of bottles, but these seem to be wine or drinks. I'm saying that from the corks that are attached. I think these are bottles as well, whole page. I think what he has done is most of the times he's taken the same theme and made a wallpaper type of thing and then a mandala on the opposite page. Okay, so this is like a kitchen pantry, but the view makes it seem to me like a dollhouse setting. Doesn't look like an adult size, but yeah, I don't know, maybe I'm just guessing it wrong. These look like a barber shop uh, items, a lot of things used by in a barber shop or something like that, or a scientist, I'm not sure. Test tubes are there, then there's a brush, but then there are spatulas, then there's the knife, and this look like a whisk, so I'm not sure what is the theme of that page. These are typewriters, very exciting. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be a destructured or deconstructed way of looking at a typewriter, just to make it a mandala or something. Oh, I just realized that he has actually mentioned over here what the items are supposed to be. So for example here, for the typewriter, he has mentioned what it is. So I can actually make out. Okay, oh sorry for the, see, typewriters mandala. So yeah, it's mentioned, so maybe I'll be able to check that out. So a lot of medals and lots of keys. I would have preferred if the size of the keys were like smaller, real size. This is like very enlarged version of keys, and that's why like hardly 25 keys are there. I would have preferred a lot more keys on this one, but yeah, anyways. So these are some sort of retro mobile phones. I have had a phone like that at one point of time, a phone like that at one point of time. Um, a phone like that also at one point of time. I never had anything like this or like this for that matter. Then trumpets. So these are supposed to be a salon, beauty salon supplies. Yeah, nail polish, lipstick, some makeup eyeshadow, I think so. Then luggage, and then the last one is pencils. Yeah, and this is a sample page which they have colored. Looks like these are beads. Okay, so that was it. I hope you enjoyed the flip through, and thanks for having stopped by. If you have not yet subscribed, then please do so. Have a nice day. Bye.